What are these? They're made of rubber. They're little Thomas trains. I'm going to tell you. Now, they're referred to as micro rubber toys. They are actually fairly good detail for something this small. As you can see, there's actually the side rods on the wheels, not colored. The face is very nice. There's the white on the front. There's the red lines. Has the whistle, uncolored. Has coal in the back, and has an uncolored lamp. And also the buffers are painted red, while other ones actually have black. Not all of them. So now, these came with rolling stock, but only two, Annie and Clarabelle. Clearly these were for Thomas. And they are a nice detail as well. You can see their names. Annie, and I think this one's faded. I don't know. And Clarabelle. And they also came with vehicles. Came with Harold, who did have the blade, but it fell off. And inside it kind of looks like wood. And Bertie. And his face just looks a little bit weird. So the main engines I'm going to be talking about, well, the main thing I'm going to be talking about today is the engines. So let's talk about Edward. Edward is also a very nice looking thing. Very nice mold, I guess. It's just that I don't recall this part being blue, but rather black, and it decides to unfocus. This right there. I don't recall that being blue. And it's not focusing, what the heck? There. Again, there's the axles, which are uncolored. He does have his tender with a little bit of coal. He does have a whistle. And his face isn't bad either. God dang it, it's not focusing. Hello, can you focus? Close enough. Okay. Next one is Henry, which is actually a bit interesting and different from the others. Now, this one has a very odd feeling. Why it does, I have no clue. But you can just see how interesting these look. Now, I used to do a little bit of some stop motions with these on my DS. So, just thought I'd say that. And now, something interesting is that this one actually has a full white running board. I guess that's what it's called. But not on the sides. And I'll let you know, none of them do that. While Edward, he only has a line, like a strip. And I think that little part is missing from a lot of models. And if they were in them, I'm pretty sure that they would look much better. Next up, Gordon. Oh yeah, and on Henry, he actually has colored axles. Not axles, what am I calling? What am I saying? Side rods. Gordon does too. He has those little wheels. Stop unfocusing. Focus. And is actually represented very well. And in the next part, I'll be showing off these engines. James, Percy, Toby, and Mavis. Bye.